Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel once again, and today we are going to create the list type page. So if you click on the button of the type of the list, then only the similar items will be appeared in the page that will open. So let's create a blank page. Type details, add a row, an icon, and add a text. We will make the columns padding 12 from both sides. I think from all sides. Make the row space between main axis alignment. Now this is the type details page. Or we will replace the widget with rich text, and we will do something better with it later. Okay, so leave it like this. We will add a column again. Or we don't need a column, we will copy the column from the home page. We will copy this column, come to the type details page, paste the column. Here we have the task details, but here we are getting the all task details, but we need to filter the data. So we need a page parameter for the task type, and the parameter is string. This is a required parameter. In the home page, if you click on the container, then it will navigate you to the details page, type details page, and pass the parameter task type from the task type item. As you can see that we are working with our backend as well as the UI, so note that. I think circle image is too big, but yeah, it's okay. Now coming to the column, we will filter another. We'll add another filter, that post type, task type equal to from the page parameter task type. And that's it. Here is the type details. So we will modify the text to 16 and make it a little bit of bold, and the second text is hello world. We will change the text to task type. Make it unknown if there is no task selected. In the back button, we will add a navigate back option. Now we are done with our task details page, as there are a lot of lists. If you click on one of them, then we will be navigated to the task button, and we also have a edit task button and a search button. The two functionalities or features are still remaining. So at first we will test this feature, and if you want to access this project with our site URL, then you can go to the site, the link in the description, but still Todo app dc.flutterflow.app. This is the link of the project that is live. You can check out and also use. This is a basic level project, so if you are a beginner, this is best practice for you. Now we are in the test mode and we are already logged in. This is the work type. So if we click on the work, we should be navigated to the type details of work. You can see this, we have been navigated to the task type details page. And if you click on the shopping, then you can see there is no task in the shopping section, and same for the wish list. So as you can see that our plan is working correctly. If we want to change the background of this to make it to look the UI better, then we can also do it. And here I think we can do something with the task type details page. We can change the color of the container to secondary background. And give the column some padding. And wrap the widget in the container. Container width 95% and height should be 95%. Fill color secondary background. Border radius 22, 24. And we can make the fill color a little bit of transparent. Make it primary background. We can also allow the user to set background images here. If you want to set a background image, then we can do it, but not in this video. As you can see that we have already done with our UI elements and the task type details page. And that's it for this video. We will continue our mobile application in the next video. And if you want to access this project, then you can see that our project is already live. You can access it with the link in the description, todo app dc.flutterflow.app. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next video.